Welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to expand your backdrop or your photo. And yeah, I found out about this hack because I shoot with pretty small backdrops, and sometimes something like this happens where the backdrop doesn't go all the way to the end of the photo or doesn't surround the model completely. And I usually pick those backdrops just because I love the color so much, so I could use a bigger backdrop, but if they don't have the color available, then I'd rather pick the color than the size of the backdrop, if that makes sense. There's a super easy way to fix this in Photoshop, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. So we're gonna use this selection tool right here, and then just select the area that you want to cover up basically, and then right click on that area and click on fill, and you want to select content based right here. Check this mode on normal and make sure that the opacity is set on 100%, and then just press OK. This is going to load a while depending on how complicated the backdrop you're filling in is. And here we have our perfectly filled backdrop. Just deselect right here, and as you can see, even the shoulder part right here is perfectly filled in, or like continued, and it's not even noticeable at all. This also works with a little bit more complicated things like right here. Obviously this is not going to be perfect because it is kind of a complicated area to fill, but just the same process. Right click and then fill content based, and let it load. And as you can see, we have a perfectly filled in backdrop. Obviously there's some little repetitive pattern going on right here. You can totally fix this with the patch tool over here. And yeah, this is how expanding your backdrop works. This is also included in my Photoshop masterclass, by the way. If you're interested in learning more about Photoshop and especially retouching in Photoshop, make sure to check that out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for that. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you can use this trick. It's also super helpful for the Instagram crop, because we all shoot in the way that the photo looks good, like the framing, it looks good for the photo, but then you have to post it to Instagram and then the framing is different. So you can just add a little bit of space to the bottom or to the sides, and then the composition is a little bit better maybe for your Instagram crop. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!